My name is Bjarke Borgbjerg. I'm the Chief Sound Tuner here at Dynaudio. So it's been a quite good experience to work on this BYD hand car. We have a team here of 10 people. The project has involved mechanical design for the nice grills they have put in the car. For that we have also worked with the amplifier functionality, the amplifier capability and DSP processing power. And we have been working as well, of course, with the sound tuning. Positives on the positive side has been the very nice grill with that are very acoustic transparent. So bringing the Dynaudio DNA and our authentic sound into this car have actually been a good experience. The cooperation with BYD has been very good. So besides from this, it's a nice car. It's very nice to drive. The buyer will be very happy with both the car and the sound system.